There are several ways that you can personalize your emails. You can include your subscribers' names. You can send more relevant, targeted content based on what they were interested in previous emails. Relevant, targeted content can lead to more engaged subscribers, which can lead to more sales or people signing up to your service. Tip 1. Identify your goals. Identify why you want to personalize your emails in the first place and what you want to achieve. Do you want to embrace a more conversational tone with your subscribers? Do you want to include specific details of subscriber information like names or date that they signed up? Or do you want to send more relevant content based on your subscribers' needs or interests? Things like what kind of emails they opened before, what links they've been clicking on can let you know what your subscribers are interested in. Tip 2. Collect the data you need to personalize. If you want to include things like name in your emails, you need to collect that information on your sign-up form. Feel free to collect any additional information as well. Just make sure that you only ask for information you need. The more fields there are in a form to fill out, the less likely somebody is to fill it out. Tip 3. Get creative. Send your subscribers content based on what they showed interest in previous emails. If they showed interest in shrimp fajitas, create a campaign that's triggered on the tag shrimp fajitas. More engaged subscribers mean more clicks to your call to action, more sales, more signups. Try it out on Aweber today. You can sign up at the end of this video. Until next time.